Did you know that the way you drive has a bigger impact on your fuel bill than you think? Studies show that eco-driving techniques can save drivers up to 30% on fuel, extend the life of their car, and even reduce harmful emissions. Most people think eco-driving just means slowing down, but the truth is, it's an art that combines smart driving habits with hidden tricks that most drivers never think about. In this video, we are going to uncover 11 hidden tricks to master the art of eco-driving. Stick with me until the end, because trick number 1 alone could immediately improve your fuel efficiency and make your car last longer. Let's dive in. Trick number 11. The gentle accelerator technique. The first hidden trick is learning how to feather your accelerator. Most drivers waste gas by pressing too hard or accelerating too quickly, which dumps unnecessary fuel into the engine. Instead, eco-driving is all about smooth acceleration. Think of it like you're trying not to spill a cup of coffee on your dashboard. By gradually bringing your car up to speed, you give your engine the time it needs to work efficiently. This not only saves fuel, but also reduces stress on your transmission and tires. Studies have shown that aggressive acceleration can lower fuel economy by 15 to 30% on highways, and even more in city driving. So, the next time you hit the gas, do it with the finesse of a professional driver, and your wallet will thank you. Trick number 10. Mastering coasting and anticipation. Eco-driving isn't just about how you press the pedals, it's also about how you let go. Coasting is one of the most underused tricks, yet it can save a surprising amount of fuel. Instead of rushing toward a red light and then braking hard, the secret here is anticipation, watching the road ahead and predicting traffic flow. If you see a slowdown, prepare to coast instead of slamming on the brakes. This technique alone can improve fuel economy by up to 10%, while also giving you a smoother and more relaxed driving experience. Trick number 9. Using navigation apps to avoid traffic jams. One of the smartest hidden eco-driving tricks is using navigation apps to steer clear of traffic jams. Stop-and-go traffic is one of the biggest fuel wasters. Studies show that idling and constant acceleration can reduce fuel economy by up to 20%. Navigation apps like Waze, Google Maps, or Apple Maps don't just show directions, they analyze live traffic data and suggest alternative routes to save time and fuel. By avoiding congested roads, you reduce idling, braking, and acceleration, which keeps your engine running efficiently. This simple digital tool can save you hundreds of dollars a year. Trick number 8. Using your car's hidden eco-sweet spot. Every car has a hidden RPM range where the engine is most fuel efficient, and learning to drive within this eco-sweet spot is a game changer. For most cars, it is between 1,500 and 2,500 RPM, but you can check your owner's manual or use a fuel economy gauge to pinpoint it. When you shift gears or adjust throttle input to stay within this range, your engine burns the least amount of fuel while still delivering enough power. Many hybrid and modern cars even have eco-indicators that light up when you're driving efficiently, but most people ignore them. You'll notice not just better fuel economy, but also less engine noise and smoother performance overall. Trick number 7. Strategic idling and warm-ups. Idling is one of the sneakiest ways drivers waste fuel without even realizing it. That may not sound like much in the moment, but over a year, it adds up to tanks of gas you never even drove on. The old belief that cars need to warm up for several minutes is outdated, but modern fuel-injected engines are designed to be driven gently after just 30 seconds of running. In fact, driving warms the engine faster than sitting still. The hidden eco-driving trick is simple. If you're parked for more than a minute, shut the engine off and keep warm-ups short. This not only saves fuel, but also reduces engine wear and harmful emissions. Trick number 6. Mastering the art of engine load. Another hidden trick to eco-driving is managing your engine load. Think of your engine like an athlete. It performs best when it's not under sudden heavy strain. Climbing hills at high speeds or carrying unnecessary weight forces your engine to burn extra fuel. Instead, lighten your load by removing things you don't need in your trunk. Roof boxes and bike racks can reduce fuel economy by up to 25% on highways because they mess with aerodynamics. When going uphill, maintain steady pressure on the gas instead of flooring it. And when going downhill, let gravity help you coast. By learning to balance engine load, you not only save fuel but also reduce long-term wear on your engine and transmission.